Okay, last but not least, quarterly cleaning number 6. Oh, are you exhausted from making videos? I'm so tired. Is not giving Jax a bath, but skin is not your friend, people. So, you must get your shop vac out and clean things like this, especially if you live in the country, especially if you have allergies. It would be nice if the housekeeper would clean these every once in a while, but she doesn't. So you may have to add that to your list. But you go also and you have to pull out your refrigerator, even if you're afraid of mice, Reggie Hale. The refrigerator, inside, outside, deep freeze, this is what keeps them lasting a long time. This baby's 15 years old and keeps on running. The other thing, if you don't have one of these, you should, because I've taken some really disgusting stuff out, is a filter every 3 months. They're very easy to install. Muy importante. And then after you have done all of that shop vac business and changed your filter, lastly, you must change these every 3 months. It doesn't matter if you buy every 6-month filters. I would not waste my time, especially again if you live in the country. These are nice to do every 6 months just because they're kind of a pain. But if you have your shop vac out, it's much easier to do. This would be another dust collector. I wish I could get my stepladder and show you, but it's quite filthy. The top of your cabinets are also dust collectors. So think about that too. Now, this is the end of my video. Like and subscribe below. Jaycee, come here. Come here. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Get up. Get up. Sit up. Sit. Oh, say bye-bye. Woof. Woof. Yeah. Okay, guys. Love you. Bye-bye. That's the end. The end.